Hey Cougar fans, I'm back. Cougar Coffee Chat is back, college football is back, BYU is back, kicking Texas butt is back, everything's back. It's a wonderful time of the year. Speaking of beating Texas again, you know, it doesn't matter where we play. It doesn't matter they have A-star athletes and that they have the best coach in the country. Charlie Strong, Charlie Weak, Charlie Fit, Charlie P90X. It doesn't matter. We own Texas. We own Texas like Texas owns Mexico. We kick their butt repeatedly and we're in rhythm when we do so. When I used to fear Longhorns when I see them. Now when I see them, I think about barbecues and beef jerkies. Um, when I see orange shirts, I think about I don't know, orange juice. I guess I wish we play Texas every year. And I think that's the biggest fault of Tom Homo. It's not about Big 12, getting to the Big 12. It's about not being able to schedule Texas for the next 10 years. That just makes every year with a good start, kicking Texas butt. It just makes things much better. And by the way, speaking of Charlie Strong's comments about not getting ready, what a joke. No one was ready. I wasn't ready when my mother gave me birth, but I adjusted. I had a great attitude and I became strong in life and I found my niche. Don't give me I wasn't, you weren't ready. You make adjustment. You're the coach. And you're giving BYU no credit. That means how weak you are. Maybe you're not ready to be the coach. And also, I wish I were there in Texas. I used to live in Austin. Actually, I just moved here to California about, 3 months ago. I wish I can go back to Texas and just watch the slaughter, the atrocity, the anguish on the fans' face when they stream out of the stadium. I don't know. I get such pleasure out of that. I sound like a pervert. It's probably because I experienced tons of that myself when I was watching BYU football. I used to be sad and just losing to TCU and losing to Utah. I feel like I'm having a blood clot in my vein right now thinking about those. Anyway, this is a good memory. Let's not talk about bad things. I wish I fly back to Texas and watch this game. That was one of the worst decisions I made in life. It's just staying here and not flying back for the game. And third, speaking of Taysom Hill, oh man, I got such a man crush on this guy. He just the flying leap, the swagger, the inhumanity, the superhumanness. He just makes things better. I just there's so many bad things in the world, wars and ISIS, and just too many bad things. And I think Taysom Hill makes everything better. And we need more Taysom Hill in the world. And so for this season, I'm hoping this will be a perfect season. I used to be never able to say that, and I was afraid to say that because it seems like I'm jinxing it. But when I tried everything to reverse jinx and trying to set up expectation low and everything. I feel like I'm England's soccer fan. I expect the worst thing to happen to BYU because I'm not getting disappointed. But year after year, the worst did happen to BYU. When I get surprised and we beat OU, we beat Texas, we beat all these teams, we lay an egg somewhere in the season, and then the rest of the season became crap. But this year, I'm just calling it. I'm hoping and calling to be a perfect season. I think waiting for a perfect season. Ever since Garrett Crowton's first year, I've been waiting for a perfect season at BYU. It just never came. It is harder than waiting for the second coming, I feel. Sometimes it's just, man, it's long, but I hope this is the season. And I live in California now, and I'm going to watch the last game if they go undefeated and roll here to Berkeley. I just want to go there. I'm living with so many tree huggers here, and I just want to see we beat Berkeley. By the way, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to talk about politics, and I'm not political, and actually I'm pretty progressive myself. I'm a non-white guy living in California, and I recycle once in a while, and I drink coffee. I'm progressive, but I just want BYU to win, and maybe hoping for a perfect season. I don't see why not. I don't care about jinxing now because I tried that not jinx them for a long time. Now let's just jinx them. Okay, we're going undefeated, and I'm buying on whatever bowl game the ticket is right now. Maybe I should just buy them right now. BYU is going undefeated this year. Taysom Hill will be top 5 Heisman Trophy ranks, and everything will be great. Let's just hope. Okay. Against Houston, let's kick their crap. It's Houston. We dominated from beginning to end, and we'll see what happens. All right, I will see you next week.